Hello and welcome to my channel. We'll be doing a tour and review of my Beach Rotana Abu Dhabi room in this video. Let me show you the corridors on the lift area first, and then we'll do the room tour. There's a big window right there. This is the lift area. There is a very beautiful view over here. Beach Rotana is located in Al Zahiya Town Street Tourist Club area adjacent to Abu Dhabi Mall and minutes away from the new Central Business District and Abu Dhabi National Exhibition Center. It's 1.5 kilometers from Abu Dhabi Center and has a selection of rooms and suites consisting of classic and premium rooms, beach suites, premium suites, classic family suites, premium family suites, and royal suites. The room rates may vary depending on the season, package, and booking date. This is my premium king room and this is the entrance. On the left is the bathroom. Let's check it out. This is a sink area. There's a trash bin, glasses, and some luxury bathroom products. There's a walk-in rain shower. And that's the toilet. And now, let me show you one of my favorite places in this room. The jacuzzi bathtub. This is where I spend most of my evenings after a long day roaming around the city. Getting ready to get into the jacuzzi. There's some instructions over here. Time to check the rest of the room out. There's a wardrobe right here, and this is how it looks like inside. Let's check another area out. There's a super comfy bed here. Full-length dresser mirrors and more storage. There's a safety deposit box here, some complimentary bottled water, milk, tea and coffee, and an electric kettle. They mostly provide disposable utensils due to the current situation, but you can request for the glass or porcelain ones if you like. This is a mini bar and it's currently empty due to the current COVID-19 situation. They only refill it when you order or request them to for safety purposes. That's the sitting area. The window and and also exit to the balcony. There is a desk right there and a multi-channel satellite TV. And now let's check the balcony out. This is how the night view looks like. I'll be showing you the daytime view shortly. You can either choose to dine in, eat from the hotel, several restaurants, or eat out as Abu Dhabi Mall is right next to the hotel. I'll be talking more about that in my next video. Let's check how the daytime view from the balcony looks like. I know that it looks like I'm on the second floor or so, but I'm on the 8th floor. What you're seeing right in front of the balcony is part of the hotel's roof. I love this hotel room as it has great facilities, daily housekeeping services, and would say that it's good value for money. The only thing I didn't like and was a bit of a disappointment is the fact that rooms in this hotel are not soundproof. You can easily hear a pin drop in the neighboring rooms or corridor. Yes, you heard me right. You can hear the next room's doorbell, phone ringing, people talking and taking shower, etc. So that isn't pleasant. I complained about it, but the staff didn't think it was a big deal. They just told me that it's because the building is old because it was built in 1993. Oh well. The general service is just average. I would say the cover tunnel rack service is way higher. However, most of the staff here are welcoming, helpful, and friendly. Based on that, I'll give them a rating of 7 out of 10. I'll be doing the videos in parts and will keep them in the Beach Rotana playlist. So more videos of this hotel are on the way. Let me know if you've been to Beach Rotana Abu Dhabi and how your experience was like in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for part 2.